Hi, I'm Holly, Chief Medical Officer at Klick. The latest privacy features in iOS 15 build on multiple years of changes resulting from legislation and technology companies impacting the ability of life science brands to effectively reach and engage our consumers and physicians. Life sciences is actually more heavily impacted by these changes than other industries. While the overall US market share of that browser is around 35%, research has shown us that over 45% of the life science brand traffic comes from Safari browsers. Based on social media activity, we see that US physicians' preference for the iOS mobile operating system is between 60 and 70%. In order for us to continue to engage consumers and physicians, companies must examine the needs of our audiences and provide compelling experiences to engage them. There's an increasing need to build first-party audiences and to tailor or personalize the experience for individuals in order to make up for the reduction in the ability to target and reach those individuals on a one-to-one basis, and third-party cookies and other identifiers becoming less effective. Let's take the simple task of adding a form to capture information about an individual visiting a particular brand site. Now, just adding a form in front of basic information is likely not going to be compelling enough to engage the consumer and actually might turn people away. In order to implement a successful first-party data strategy, it's critical for brands and for enterprises to get to the heart of the needs of both the consumers and the physicians in order to define a strategy which provides a rich customer journey across our branded and our unbranded content. This strategy, combined with a robust technology infrastructure to deliver engaging experiences, will be absolutely key to brand and franchise success. To learn more about this, make sure to check out our coverage of ongoing privacy changes, including in-depth POVs.